Hi guys, Lee here from Trading College with your market update. Okay, so back from holiday, and this happens to me every single year, and I'm sure it happens to you as well. You lose momentum. You go away on holiday for a week, maybe 2 weeks, and we've had staycations mainly this year because of COVID. And you get back to the markets, you get back to the charts, and you are basically out of sync with what is going on in these markets. It happens to everybody, don't worry about it. Just get back in front of the screen, start doing your analysis, looking for your signals, and it will soon come back. So you don't need to worry about it, guys. It happens to me every single year. You want to take a break. You need to take a break. You come back refreshed. You come back looking strong, feeling strong because you've had a nice break with your family or whoever. And it's time to dive into the markets and hit these markets hard going into the winter months. So these next several months, September, October, November, December, are usually very good indeed. All right, so make sure you've got your strategy set up. You know exactly what that is. You make sure you know your risk parameters and your routine, which is really, really important. Okay, so let's just get back into what's going on here. I'm looking at our Pro Trading system on the radar screen. On the left-hand side here, we've got all the FX markets. On the right-hand side, we've got the P&L here. These are the amount of pips profit since the last signal on the system. If it's green, it's up those amounts of pips. If it's red, it is losing those amounts of pips. So you can see here it's updated in real time. And as we go through, and I'm looking at the dollar pairs, the euro crosses here. You know, the euro, if you look at it, there's three long trends at the top here and one long trend down here. And then there's short trends going on that are making money as well. So I would say the euro has maybe been a little bit of a choppy market to trade. But if we go down a little bit further here and you look at the yen pairs, they've been long trends, long signals. Dollar yen 6 days long, Aussie yen 6 days long, up 91 pips. Euro yen, that was Aussie yen, up 138 pips. Still pushing nicely higher here. Swissy yen, hardly anything going on. Pound Japanese yen up 75 pips. These are all swing trades, guys. So you can see here that I suppose the Aussie yen is the market that's really been strong, or strong for summer trading. And also we're starting to see some Aussies kicking in here as well to the long side. So Euro yen has been up quite nice here. We've got the Aussie yen as well. That's pushing up into profit targets as well on our green Pro Trading system. So, you know, still profitable trades even though it's a slow market. Let's dive into now some of the charts here, what we're looking for. And I think, you know, the key is, guys, I think that what is it we're looking at for the next round of swing trades? And I've got to go over to the dollar CAD here and I'm going to look at this. I think looking at the dollar CAD, we've had this double top. Okay, so nice big double top here. And now we're getting this little pullback. And then I'm thinking, like, you know, we could still get this move down to 125 on the dollar CAD. So that's the market I'm looking at. It is stuck a little bit. We've got a white Pro Trading system, which basically means choppy, sloppy price action. So we're looking for a red. I'm looking for a red PTS to get out of this area here, get this momentum pointing down on the storyteller and go for 125. That's about 90 pips away. So I'm watching that for a breakdown. Looking at other markets that seem to be wanting to go higher is the CAD Swissy. We had a nice two wave at the lows, and we're going to be doing a reversal strategy webinar in the coming weeks, guys. So look out for that. We had a nice hammer formation, push higher, trend predictor long, green PTS. I'm watching for this to break out up to 73.45. So watching CAD Swissy for a break to the upside. And watching, you know, because if you take a look at the monthly on this, the monthly chart is really nice. I mean, we've had 2 months down, so a nice base, little pullback here, and then we're setting up for a bit of a move. 75 potential, maybe breaking out of this range, who knows? But this is a market that's got a lot of promise, and I'm watching to see whether this holds. It really looks nice from the monthly time frame, but you don't want to be trading from the monthly. you want to be doing your risk reward from the daily chart time frame. And I think this has got something that that could push higher and give us a decent, nice risk reward and a nice swing trade. I think I need to see it break above 73 and start to close above there to really get excited about the CAD Swissy. Speak to you soon, guys. Take care. Have a great rest of the trading week.